I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're waiting for your earnings to be unlocked on the Uber app, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Open the Uber Driver app. Launch the Uber Driver app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with your earnings. Step 2. Check notifications. Look for any notifications regarding your earnings or account status. This can provide insight into why your earnings are under review. Step 3. Contact support. If there are no clear notifications, reach out to Uber support through the app. Use the help section to submit a query about your earnings. Step 4. Provide required information. When contacting support, be ready to provide any necessary information they request, such as your driver ID or recent trip details. This helps expedite the review process. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. If you don't receive a response within a week, consider following up. I hope this helps you unlock your earnings quickly.